this video we will go through the steps of another project called Homebridge. Homebridge is a kind of smart home dashboard that makes it possible to connect various devices with Apple's HomeKit service. You will find a tutorial below the video which will bring you through the installation process. I will now show you how to set up Homebridge completely. After the installation, you should be able to open this login window by navigating to the IP address of your Raspberry Pi followed by :8080 in your browser. The credentials to log in are the username admin and the password admin. And then you are already in the web interface where you can set up Homebridge. You can use this QR code to add the Raspberry Pi to the Home app on your iOS device. So just scan the code in your app and you should see the added devices in the app. I will now add a device, a fake bulb, which will only be a virtual bulb, and you can just search for it, and I will now use the fake RGB, and by clicking the npm link you will get to the npm page, which is a platform for Linux packages. And here I will find the snippet of code that I need to configure the bulb correctly. Back in Homebridge I will install this now, and you see the script running. And if it was successful, you will now go to the config page where you see the config file with the point accessories, where I will now add the snippet from the npm page. We now have the item fake RGB, which is the name of the accessory, and now we will give it a name. And then I will add a comma, and it is now possible to copy and paste it so that we have two fake bulbs. And when you saved the config file and rebooted it, we are able to control our two fake bulbs with all of their settings turning on and off. The advantage of Homebridge is that you can use the plugin to add various devices like Philips Hue devices or an Amazon Echo, so there are some examples on how to extend Homebridge. If you now add Homebridge or our Raspberry Pi to our iOS device, we can now control these fake bulbs directly in the Home app, which is not very useful with virtual devices.